Welcome to this course, where we will deepen our knowledge about the simulation add-in, included with SolidWorks Premium. We will perform analyses using advanced features that extend the range of simulation applications and facilitate project validation. In this class we will make a general overview of what will be accomplished throughout the course. Let's get started. We will start by dealing with the standard solution method. We will also present two adaptive methods, which are very important, as they enable us to converge the results of the simulation. Next, we will deepen our knowledge about the mesh, using a diagnostic tool and knowing properties such as Jacobian and aspect ratio. We will discuss the solvers available in simulation for static studies and explore their main options. We will see how to make simplifications on parts and assemblies to optimize the processing of our analyses while maintaining consistency of results. We will work with mixed mesh, indispensable for the simulation of mixed models, containing solids, plates, surfaces and even beams. We will see how to resolve incompatibilities between the interfaces of mixed meshes by applying correct contact sets. We will make simulations of assemblies of greater complexity by applying advanced contacts such as virtual wall contact, connectors to represent components such as springs, bearings and welds, and we will also apply some advanced restrictions such as fixed hinge. We will learn how to use remote charge, which greatly simplifies analysis, as it does not load the component, which is replaced by the remote charge feature. Finally, we will learn how to export simulation results to e-drawings. With this knowledge, you will be able to leverage the wide range of features of the simulation add-in and perform simulations of the most diverse projects. We finished this lesson, where we saw the topics that will be covered throughout this course and wish you a great learning. Render, who knows, teaches.